Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that when you're just trying to change your country region and they're saying that you cannot change the country region right now. So how you can do that? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to your settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, simply just go to general section and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. After that, simply just scroll it down and just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on reset and just reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go back and just simply just go to the Apple ID and just go to the payment and civil sections where you can change the region. If it cannot change the region on that section, don't worry, simply just go back and just go to the general section. Before going to your Apple ID, you just have to just go to the general section and just go to the language and region. And here you just have to select the region where you currently right now. So many users face issue because they change the region of that iPhone. So make sure that region cannot change the region of that iPhone, not Apple ID region. You just have the region of that where you currently live. Just like that, I currently live in Pakistan, so I'm gonna select the region of Pakistan in that iPhone. After I will just go back and just go to the Apple account, and after that you just change the region from here, and you cannot get any problem in that section. Simply just go to the payment CV section and just verify your Apple ID and just change the region in that section. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.